So welcome back everyone, Mike here. This evening we're going to cut a little bit of firewood. Notice I didn't say firewood. Here's why. I took that picture about 1.5 years ago, about a half hour from our house, and I don't think it was a joke. I think that might actually be how he spells it, but hey, whatever. Anyway, this evening we're going to cut some firewood out here in the woods, and I got 3 red oaks down. I cut these things down Sunday evening, and it was getting pretty late and kind of dark, and I didn't really have time to bring any cameras out and get set up. But I got them all on the ground with the exception of that one hanger that I just took down. I'm telling you, that tractor and that grapple is a ticket for that. I remember years of messing around with those things trying to get them down. That took all but 5 minutes, and I had a pretty good plan, but when you're back here in the woods, there's so many trees, and you have a very, very small landing area. If you're off just by a little bit, that's what happens. But with that RK37 and the grapple, knock it off the stump, get around, pull it off, no problem at all. It's ready to be cut up. I'll show you what I have here. So I got this one here. This was actually like a double here, I guess you could say. I got that one there, and this one here that I just pushed off that stump and pulled out a little bit. I think what I'll do is cut this one off right here, move this log out of the way, and then pull the rest of this down here where I can work it up. I may save this one as a saw log. I'll see what it looks like after I cut it off right up in there by that first knot there. If it looks decent, it's not a real big one, maybe 14, 15 inches. But that's the plan. So this butt log, it's only 12 inches in diameter at the small end, probably 15 or 16 at the other end. Firewood. I'm not going to save this one for a saw log. So the title of today's video is, what is the best firewood? And there's no real answer for that. It all depends on, you know, what part of the country you're in, what part of the world you're from, because different species grow in different parts of the world. Here in Western Pennsylvania, where we're from, I would have to say the best is, let me rephrase that, my favorite is Northern Red Oak, and I'll tell you why. It burns very hot, that's one reason, but not the only reason. It splits very easily, I like that, and it's readily available. So those are the three reasons that I like Northern Red Oak, and I think it's the best firewood for our area around here. Now, the one downside to red oak, it takes a long time to dry. If it didn't, it wouldn't burn as hot as it does. But Northern Red Oak is definitely my favorite in this area here. So in the comments below, if you don't mind, you know, comment where you're from and what you think the best firewood is in your area. I'd have to say my second favorite species of firewood is black cherry, and the reason is it burns relatively hot, not as hot as red oak. It splits pretty well. It's readily available, and it also smells really nice when you burn it. So that would be my number 2 pick, is black cherry. It's going to get dark in a little bit, so I'm going to cut the rest of this up. But before I do, I want to mention a couple other things. October 6th, Saturday, the Paul Bunyan show in Cambridge, Ohio. If anyone's interested in going, sounds like a really good time if you're into you know, forestry stuff, log splitting, sawmills, chainsaws, equipment. It should all be there. I've never been there before, but it sounds pretty cool. And if you want to meet up or something, Melissa and I will be there. We'll post updates on our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans, or Instagram if you want to follow us there as well. You know, let you know where we're going to be on that day and what time, and maybe we can meet up and BS a little bit. And lastly, before I finish this up, don't forget Woodstack 2018 on October 6th, the same day as the Paul Bunyan show in Cambridge. We'll post more details and ask for pictures on our Facebook page on that day, so keep that in mind. The 3 categories are the neatest perfect stack of firewood, most creative stack of firewood, and what we call the get her done. Has to be stacked, but the most volume, the biggest stack of firewood, doesn't matter if it's super neat or not. That'll be 3rd prize. And we'll go over all the prizes on, you know, on October 6th. And many of you have sent me via private message this picture. Some guy stacked this firewood. It looks like a big fish. It's pretty cool. I bet you 20 people have sent me that picture. I don't know who did it, but the guy should enter, whoever he is. If you know who he is, let him know. But anyway, I'm going to finish this up. Well, it's getting too dark to get stuck. I'll come back out tomorrow night when it dries up, fix this hole up here that I just made, and get this one out of here. It rained about 1.5 inches, 2 inches yesterday. I knew it was pretty damp, but just a little soft spot right there. A few years ago, I would have done whatever it took to get that log out of there. I don't know why, that's just the way I used to be. Now I'm a little bit older, a little bit wiser, a little more patient. I realize it's going to be pitch dark in about a half hour. Got to go to work early tomorrow morning, and I don't feel like bringing another tractor out to get this one unstuck if I bury it in that hole any further than what I did. So with that being said, I'm just going to walk away tonight, come back tomorrow evening, and get it cleaned up. But anyway, 3 things out of this video. 1, comment below what you think the best firewood is. My vote is Northern Red Oak here in Western Pennsylvania. I love it. Splits nice, burns hot, readily available. Only downside is it takes a long time to dry. Number 2, Paul Bunyan Show, Cambridge, Ohio, October 6th. If you want to have a little meetup there, follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram. And number 3, Woodstack 2018. We will start accepting entries for that on October 6th, so keep that in mind and get ready for that. But anyway, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button. That matters. Click subscribe and share them with your friends. Thanks.